about climate change.
Hottest months since
Most
record
powerful
We are
typhoon
right in the middle of a 1-2 Arctic
catastrophic
punch.
flooding
There's
facing
100 miles an hour
wildfire
point
in
of
that
evacuation.
town. 27
On the next
Its
climate
most
change.
dramatic
Most
report
powerful
yet.
storm on record.
Extreme E is a global racing championship that sees all-electric SUVs battle head-to-head in some of the world's most extreme environments. Not only that, but our floating paddock, the St. Helena, will offer a hub for science and researchers to explore solutions for climate change issues around the world, improving the places we go and leaving a lasting legacy on the planet.
I think this is going to be the most extreme form of motorsport.
We have the locations that we want to go, we have to start exploring the world, we have to find the teams.
I'm a little bit of a dreamer. I thought, how can we bring this all together in a compelling way? That motorsports can help showcase these environments and some of the challenges we face.
It's going to take you to all corners of the globe. It's going to take you to the desert, it's going to take you to the Himalayas.
Hopefully we'll create something that's very unique in that we can tell stories in the most vulnerable and important ecological parts of the planet.
Seeing where all the garages are going to be, seeing the cabins, where the crew and the teams and the drivers are going to sleep, and you suddenly realise, wow, this is actually happening.
The racing format of Extreme E, it's going to have a very fast-paced knockout formula, a round-robin set of heats taking you through to a head-to-head in the final, short races in Dakar-style fully electric cars in extreme locations around the globe, whilst not only providing great motorsport entertainment, but it's also going to raise awareness for climate change.
All electric SUVs in the world's most extreme environments. This is Extreme E, the race to save the planet.